I'm Dr. Jessica Allen. I'm a senior lecturer in chemical and renewable energy engineering at the University of Newcastle, and I'm based at the Newcastle Institute for Energy and Resources, or NIER as we call it. So the university has a number of different arms that are looking at innovation and about trying to make sure researchers have impact. There's a number of different researchers that are located at the NIER site. So I do research in electrochemistry and electrochemical engineering, which is around technologies like electrolysis, fuel cells, also looking increasingly at using electrochemistry for manufacturing processes. So things like steel, aluminium, even silicon, carbon, so drawing carbon dioxide down from the air and making it into products. It's about building that ecosystem and that diversity of opportunity. We really need Newcastle to be a hub for a number of different industries, because it's not just about, okay, let's just make solar panels here or something like that. It's also about all of the supporting industries for an energy transition or for a diversified export industry, so around manufacturing as well as ideas and knowledge. The NIER precinct hosts a number of doctoral training centres that are in key areas, so including advanced METS, so mining equipment technology, food and agribusiness, and now energy is the third. So the idea is to really have PhD students who are heavily engaged with industry but who are still doing an academically rigorous project. The PhD student is sort of the linchpin in the middle of that, that's working on this highly technical problem for an industry partner that has immediate impact. So it's not about working away at a bench for years and years and never seeing that technology through. It's about what can we do right now that will have impact, and that's just increasingly critical in energy technology and emission reductions. We need to have these gains realised as quickly as possible. So Newcastle's an interesting place because I think people are drawn back to it. If you do leave, you tend to come back. And in academia, you have quite a lot of pressure to move abroad, to experience new things. I had offers in Switzerland and in California. I could have gone basically anywhere, but I chose to stay in Newcastle because I'm a Newcastle girl and I love my home, and I really want to see this community thrive and to grow because I think we've got so much potential here. We have resources here that they are crying out for. So we need to become the exporters of that and have a thriving community here that then would then see gains everywhere.